Welcome to Nifty 50 Photographers, and in today's video I'm going to let you into a little secret that many pros often forget, and it's a little thing that can cause you massive problems. Now, it often happens when you're switching from different filming types, particularly if you're like me, if you're switching from video to still photography. So what is the problem? Well, the problem is I forget to go and check all my settings. And if I've been filming in video, I have them set up in a very different way to what I would if I was taking a still photograph. For example, I'll have a picture profile on, I'll be using a higher ISO, and I might be using a very wide aperture. Now, there are two things I notice that I tend to forget more than anything else. One of those is what is my focus setting, and the other is my ISO. And that's probably because I came from the days of film where you decided on your ISO by what film you put in your camera, and your focus setting was pretty much manual, as you didn't have all these options of spot focus, zone, center, and so on. So I have a little mnemonic, and it's called FAB-SID. So any of you out there called Sid, I'm sure you'll be pleased with that. So what does it all stand for? Well, F is for focus. Have I got the right focus settings? A is for aperture. Have I set that right? B is for balance, so white balance. Is my white balance set to the correct setting? S is for shutter. Have I selected the correct speed? I is for ISO. Check that that's correct. And D is for my command dial. Sometimes I notice, particularly when I put my camera away, it might have been knocked and moved into the wrong position. So I want to make sure that that's set either in manual or aperture priority, whatever's appropriate for what I'm doing. And if I get all those things right, then I know I've got the best chance of getting a good photo. The other way around it is always to take a test shot and go back and just review all the image data, not so much the image itself, but all the settings that the image was taken on, and check that those are correct. So I hope you find that a useful tip, and it helps you to avoid that problem of going, oh, I missed that shot because my aperture was so wide that everything is out of focus. And go out and have some fun. I hope FAB-SID works for you, and I look forward to seeing some of your great shots. And I'll see you in the next video.